Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. Today, we bring you a complete unboxing and in-depth review of the Slivers Criest SC-250A spice grinder, a professional-grade, high-performance kitchen tool built with 100% pure copper motor technology, delivering exceptional grinding power for all your spices, coffee beans, grains, herbs, and more. Whether you're a home cook aiming for consistent results or a professional chef looking for reliable performance, this 250G capacity grinder is designed to handle both small and bulk quantities with ease, speed, and precision. The Slivers Criest SC-250A arrives in a sturdy, well-protected retail box, ensuring the grinder and all components remain safe during shipping. The box design includes clear product images for instant recognition, technical specifications, safety instructions. When we open the box, here's what we find: 2x carbon brushes and 2x safety fuses. Blade set heavy-duty stainless steel blades for fast, fine, and even grinding. Designed for a variety of dry ingredients, from coffee beans to hard spices like turmeric. Cleaning brush, specially designed to clean the grinder jar and blades without scratching. Main spice grinder unit, SC-250A, with lid. The main unit is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, giving a sleek, premium look while also making it rust-resistant and completely food-grade. This means you can grind ingredients with full confidence that there's no chemical leaching or metal contamination. A durable, flexible power cord is attached to the main unit, giving you a comfortable reach from your countertop to the nearest socket. It's fully compatible with two 20V, 240V power supply, making it ideal for use in many regions. Before using the grinder, it's important to go through the safety instructions. This not only protects the machine, but also ensures your safety. This grinder is designed for dry grinding only. Avoid grinding wet or oily foods, as they can damage the motor or blades. The lid is made of high-quality stainless steel, giving it durability and a sleek finish. Around the edge, it has a flexible, silicone-type sealing ring. This seal is designed to fit snugly on the grinder jar, preventing any fine powder from escaping during grinding. It also helps lock in the aroma and freshness of your spices, while keeping the grinding process clean and mess-free. Inside the jar, you'll find high-speed, razor-sharp stainless steel blades designed to turn even the toughest ingredients into fine powder in seconds. Replacing the fuse is quick and easy. First, make sure the grinder is unplugged from the power source. Then, locate the fuse compartment, usually found at the base or back of the grinder. Use only for dry ingredients. This grinder is designed for dry grinding only. Avoid grinding wet or oily foods, as they can damage the motor or blades. At the bottom of the grinder, you'll notice it has a non-slip base. This is an important safety and convenience feature because it keeps the unit stable during operation, even at high speeds. Now, let's plug in the grinder. Before you do, always make sure the power supply is compatible. This model works perfectly with 220 to 240 volts. Once connected, it's ready to go. On the front, you'll find the power switch. It's simple and straightforward. Just press it to start the grinding process and release to stop. This gives you full control, so you can pulse for a coarse texture or run it longer for an ultra-fine powder. For our test, I'm starting with Mishri, also known as rock sugar or crystal sugar. It's usually quite hard and can be tough on low-quality grinders, but let's see how the Slivers Criest SC-250A performs. I've added the Mishri into a stainless steel jar, secured the lid, and switched it on. The powerful 100% copper motor and razor-sharp blades go to work instantly. Within seconds, you can hear and see the crystals breaking down smoothly. After just a short grind, the result is impressive, a fine, even powder with no large chunks left behind. This is exactly what you want for desserts, traditional sweets, or mixing into recipes. Honestly, the SC-250A makes grinding even the toughest ingredients feel effortless. At the heart of the Slivers Criest SC-250A is its pure copper motor, a feature that truly sets it apart from low-quality grinders. Unlike aluminum motors, copper motors are more efficient, durable, and heat-resistant, giving you consistent performance even with tough ingredients. High torque. Handles hard spices like turmeric or cinnamon effortlessly. Better heat dissipation. Prevents overheating during continuous use. Minimal wear and tear. Ensures the motor lasts for years, making it a smart long-term investment. The SC-250A is built for speed and precision. Its high RPM grinding mechanism delivers a fine, even powder in just seconds. Ultra-fine grinding, perfect for coffee, spices, and grains. Dry grinding only, designed specifically for dry ingredients, not suitable for wet grinding. Now, let's move on to our second test, grinding whole turmeric, also known as Sabit Haldi. This is where a grinder truly proves its strength, because turmeric is one of the hardest spices to grind. Many low-quality grinders struggle, overheat, or even break down when dealing with this tough ingredient. I've filled the stainless steel grinding chamber with dried turmeric roots, making sure not to exceed the 250-gram limit. The stainless steel lid with its silicone seal fits snugly, ensuring no powder escapes during operation. Safety first. The grinder won't operate unless the lid is locked in place. Once I switch it on, you can immediately hear the power of the 100% copper motor. The high-speed stainless steel blades begin breaking down the hard turmeric roots within seconds. I prefer to start with a few short pulses to crush the pieces, then let it run continuously for about 30 to 40 seconds. The result is incredible. The grinder transforms rock-hard turmeric into a bright, golden yellow powder. The texture is smooth and fine, with no chunks left behind. Just look at that color. Freshly ground turmeric not only smells stronger and more natural than store-bought powder, but also guarantees purity with no additives. This test really shows the capability of the Slivers Criest SC-250A. It handles one of the toughest spices effortlessly, thanks to its strong motor and durable blades. For home kitchens, herbal remedies, or even small business use, This grinder is powerful enough to meet the challenge. As you've just seen, the Slivers Criest SC-250A spice grinder has passed both of our tests with flying colors. From the Mishri or rock sugar, which turn into a fine powder within seconds, to the extremely tough whole turmeric roots, this grinder handled everything effortlessly. The results were smooth, consistent, and finely ground, just the way you'd expect from a high-quality machine. What really makes the SC-250A stand out is its 100% copper motor, durable stainless steel body, and razor-sharp high-speed blades. Together, they ensure that even the hardest ingredients are processed with ease. The 250-gram capacity is perfect for medium batches, making it ideal not only for home kitchens, but also for small businesses, herbal shops, or anyone serious about spice grinding. Of course, it's important to remember that this model is specifically designed for dry grinding only, but within that scope, its performance is unmatched in this price range. Whether you're preparing coffee, spices, grains, herbs, or seeds, the Slivers Criest SC-250A delivers consistent results every time without overheating or losing power. If you've been searching for a reliable, long-lasting, and powerful spice grinder, the Slivers Criest SC-250A is without a doubt a product worth considering. After putting it through some of the toughest tests, from hard rock sugar, also known as Mishri, to whole turmeric roots, this machine has proven that it can handle both delicate and extremely tough ingredients with ease. One of the biggest highlights of this grinder is its 100% copper motor. Unlike many low-quality grinders that use mixed or aluminum wiring, this motor is built for durability, better conductivity, and consistent performance. That means it doesn't just work well today, but it's designed to keep serving you reliably for years. Pair that with high-speed, razor-sharp stainless steel blades, and you get a machine that transforms even the hardest spices into a fine, smooth powder in just seconds. Another plus point is the 250-gram capacity. It's the perfect size, not too small that you have to grind in endless batches, and not too large that it becomes bulky for home use. Whether you're working in a home kitchen, preparing herbal remedies, or even running a small business, this capacity is spot on for everyday needs. The food-grade stainless steel body also gives a strong, premium build, while ensuring hygiene and resistance against rust. Thank you so much for joining us in this detailed unboxing and review here on Review and Adventure Hub. If you enjoyed this review or found it useful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more honest product reviews, unboxings, and kitchen gadget tips. Also, hit the bell icon so you're the first to know whenever we upload new content. And remember, fresh spices mean fresher flavors, and with the Slivers Criest SC-250A, grinding fresh has never been easier. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.